these questions, our denominators are different, but we also have that variable in there. The technique does not change. We want to find the lowest common denominator for each. In A, my lowest common denominator is going to be 21p. So to get 3p to be 21p, I need to multiply 3p times 7, which also means I need to multiply by 5 times 7. And I'm going to add that to 7p, and to get 7p to equal 21p, I multiply by 3, which means I need to multiply that 2 by 3. So now I've got 35 plus 6 over 21p. Collecting my like terms together, I got 41 over 21p, where p cannot equal 0. With b, my lowest common denominator is 3y times 5, which is going to be 15y. Now, 3y is times by 5 to get 15y, which means that 1 needs to be multiplied by 5 as well. And I'm adding that to 5 times 3y, which means that 6 is also times 3y. So that gives me 5 plus 18y all over 15y, where y cannot equal 0. With c, we've got 6x as one denominator, 3x as the second denominator. The lowest common denominator between the two is 6x. So 2x minus 5 over 6x minus, and to get 3x to be 6x, I multiply by 2, which means 3x minus 2 in brackets also needs to be multiplied by 2. That gives me 2x minus 5 minus 6x minus 4 all over 6x. Getting rid of my brackets, I have 2x minus 5 minus 6x plus 4 all over 6x. Collecting like terms, we get negative 4x minus 1 all over 6x, where x cannot equal 0. D, we have the denominator of 2a squared, 5a. Lowest common denominator is going to be 10a squared. Now to get 2a squared to equal 10a squared, that means I'm multiplying by 5, which means my a plus 7 also needs to be multiplied by 5. Now we're subtracting 3 over 5a, and to get 5a to be 10a squared, I need to multiply 2a, which gives me 3 also times 2a. Bringing that all over the same denominator, I've got 5a plus 35 minus 6a all over 10a squared. Collect my like terms together, I have 35 minus a over 10a squared, where a cannot equal 0.